the most beautiful sunny morning. I just washed my hair because I'm gonna get ready to meet with some friends for lunch, and I want to show you guys how I style my hair. I did just kind of like air dry it a little because I like my hair to be about like 60% dry before I start blow drying it. That way it's a lot quicker. As far as what I use in the shower, my go-to shampoo has been the Dreame one for a really long time. I love to use the Way for a little detox sometimes, for heat protection, Bondi Boost, and this I use in my ends. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to spray some heat protection. I'm gonna show you guys my full hair styling routine and what has been an absolute game changer for me. So I want to look really nice and put together and feel pretty today. I recently purchased the Dreame AirStyle Pro. It looks like this. This I think is a literal Dyson dupe, you guys. It's so beautiful. Just the packaging. It comes with all of these attachments. You guys, it's so luxurious. I'm gonna style my hair in kind of like soft mermaid waves. I'm gonna start out with this attachment here just to quickly dry my overall hair. So this is called the fast dryer, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to attach. I'm so obsessed with how it has a leather handle. You guys, that made drying my hair so easy and fast without the hassle of having to grab like a big blow dryer. Also perfect for traveling, you guys. The wind speed is also really strong. It's 7-in-1, so there's so many different attachments to style your hair however you want. Suitable for so many different hair types, and you can create so many different hairstyles. I'm going to be using the volumizing round brush because I have curly hair naturally, in order to smooth out my hair and get it ready for the mermaid curls. And then after, I'm going to use this barrel right here, which is going to give us those effortless curls. They are magnetic, so they just simply switch on, you guys. Look at how easy this is. Start at the root and then I go down. Look at the comparison, this side versus this side. Smoothing out my hair, so easy and quick. Already done with the bottom. Done, you guys. So this is my hair smoothed out just with the round brush. I dried my hair in probably 10 minutes. So this is already like pretty acceptable, but we want to do those mermaid waves. I'm going to be using the wrap barrels to create the mermaid waves, and I'm going to begin. So there's two to manage the direction of where the wave is curled. As you can see, this wrap. I'm almost done styling my hair, and it's been less than 15 minutes. It's also damage-free styling. This has jet airflow technology, which delivers really precise airflow in order to reduce any heat damage to your hair. You guys, almost done. Now let's just start with the front pieces. These curls, so pretty and so shiny and just effortless. Look at these mermaid waves, you guys. So easy. You guys may think my hair already looks good, but I want to smooth it even more. So I'm going to be using the flyaway attachment. Just ensure that we really have no flyaways or anything sticking out. It's super easy to use, and this is going to really smooth down our hair. A lot of hairstyle experts love using flyaway tool because it just really makes everything look so much more natural. I'm going to do the hot mode for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'm going to do the cool shot mode, which you just slide a button slider to the cool shot to really feel in that shine. Her hair is still wavy and curly, but it's a lot more relaxed and natural instead of like crazy and all over the place. It kind of just got rid of all the flyaways and really smoothed out my hair. So final result. I styled my hair in less than 15 minutes. So easily, you guys, and created these gorgeous mermaid waves, and my hair just looks smooth, healthy, shiny. Before I had to use so many different tools to style my hair. First I would start with my dryer, then I would go in with my straightener to smooth my curly hair, then I would go in with my curling iron to get these like loose natural curls, then I would have to put on hairspray to smooth any flyaways, whereas with this it's kind of just like an all-in-one. The key is that with this 7-in-1 you can create so many different hairstyles. If you want a sleek side part, if you want a curly hairstyle, chic bob, so on and so forth. The jet airflow technology minimizes any heat damage And you guys, like the interior of this box that even holds the air styler, it's like velvet. This just feels so luxurious. The product itself feels so luxurious, and it just meets so many different styling needs. So I'm gonna have the Dreame AirStyle Pro linked down below for you guys. I also do have a special code for you guys that you guys can apply at checkout to get a really good discount for your AirStyle Pro. If you have been debating buying an air styling tool, or you've been thinking of getting the Dyson, you guys, this one's a little cheaper, and I'm telling you guys, it is just as good. Super excited. I'm already wearing the dress that I'm going to be wearing for lunch today. I think I'm going to pair it with like some white heels. You guys, I'm so in love with how my hair came out. This is how I've been styling my hair, and it's just been so quick and easy. Styling my hair is no longer a hassle. It takes me less than 15 minutes and I am good to go. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys comment down below. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.